Making phone calls. Let's start by getting familiar with different parts of a phone. These are volume buttons. This is the microphone, the speaker, the screen, the power button, the keypad. Phone phrases. Make a call. I need to go outside to make a call to my mother. I can't do it here in the library. Dial a number. Always dial the number 911 if you have an emergency in the United States. Call somebody back. I'm in a meeting right now. Can I call you back in 30 minutes? Leave a message. If the doctor is busy, you can leave a message with his secretary. Hang up. When you are finished with your call, hang up. Answer the phone. When someone calls you and you want to speak to them, you answer the phone. Take a message. Is Sarah there?
No, she isn't. Can I take a message for her?
Answering the phone.
Hello.
Hi, is Anna there?
Who is calling, please?
This is Patrick. I'm her classmate.
Just a minute, please. I'll get her.
Some other ways that we can ask who the caller is are: May I ask who's calling? Who may I say is calling? Can you tell me your name, please? May I have your name? Taking a message.
Hello?
Hi, can I speak to Richard, please?
I'm afraid he's not here right now. Can I take a message?
Can you tell him to call Daniel? My number is 555-9845.
That's Daniel at 555-9845?
That's right.
Okay, I'll be sure he gets the message.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Getting a wrong number.
Hello.
Is Julia there?
No, I'm sorry. What number are you calling?
Is this 555-7489?
No, it isn't.
Oh, I must have the wrong number. Sorry to bother you.
That's okay. Goodbye.
Some alternatives to saying that's okay are: no problem. That's all right. Final dialogue.
Hello?
Hi, can I speak to Dr. Williams, please?
Let me check. I'm afraid Dr. Williams isn't in his office at the moment.
Do you know what time he'll be back?
He should be back around 4 o'clock. Can I take a message?
No, thanks. I'll call back later. Goodbye.
Hello?
Hi, is Dr. Williams back yet?
No, he isn't, I'm afraid.
I see. Can I leave a message?
Of course.
This is Thomas Yates. Please tell him to call me back when he gets this message.
Does he have your number?
He should, but let me give it to you just in case. It's 555-8253.
Okay, that's Thomas Yates at 555-8253?
That's correct.
I'll be sure he gets the message.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.